Okay guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today in my kitchen I'll be making Nigerian tomato stew. Malaysia call it samba tomato stew. First of all, we are going to light up going to add vegetable oil. We use any kind of oil, vegetable oil, groundnut oil, olive oil, but we use vegetable oil. So this is the oil that I'll be using. I have all my ingredients here. I have bay leaf, I have thyme, I have curry, I have nutmeg, I have ginger, I have garlic, have thyme. What else? Yeah, those are the spices that I'll be using. So I'll be adding enough vegetable oil because I'm making a large amount of tomato stew. So we are heating the oil for about 3 minutes before I will start adding my diced onion. I don't know what is wrong with my remote. So now I'll be adding bay leaf. I'm frying the bay leaf and the onion together. So first of all, I'm adding the bay leaf. Okay. Then I'm adding this onion. I will allow the onion to fry for some minutes before I will add other ingredients. I'm adding thyme as well. Then cover the pot, allow it to fry for at least 3 to 4 minutes. So guys, I'll be adding this nutmeg, ginger, optional. I like adding ginger and onion powder, optional. Curry. Measurement is very important. I've been cooking for years, so I know the quantity I always add. So you stir it. What else? And allow it to fry for 2 minutes. So guys, look at this tomato paste. Tomato paste. You can use any kind of tomato paste. You can get tomato paste anywhere, Arab shop, 99, any of the grocery store. But preferable using the thick one is very, very important than using the light one. So I'll be adding the quantity that is required. Since I'm making the stew since the stew is making some large quantity of stew, so I'll be adding more of tomato paste. So I will stir it together and let it fry. It's important you allow your tomato to fry very, very well. If not, if you don't fry it very well, your stew will be tasting somewhat. If you are eating the stew will be slapping you. So you must let it fry very, very well. You understand? Before you can add your blended tomato. So here I have fresh blended tomato cooked with I blend chili, tomato, and fresh tomato together. You understand? So you can see I boil it and cook it together. So after the tomato paste fried very well, I'll be adding this fresh tomato. Yes, that is all we're gonna use for our tomato stew. So after adding the tomato paste, I will allow it to cook for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, depending when I know that the stew is ready. You understand? So I will also add chicken stock and also some stew spice like onga. It depends. It's optional. You can also cook your stew just like that. But this is our way of making stew, Nigerian stew. Yeah. So please, if you're watching me for the very first time, like, share my content, and also follow us. If you are here in Kuala Lumpur, you are looking for where to eat your delicious African food, you understand? We are in one south. You can also DM me. We do delivery anywhere you are, and we sell in affordable price. Our food are very, very delicious. You understand? We've been in this business for years now, yes, and a lot of people can testify about our food. Stay tuned while we continue cooking our stew. So finally, time to add our fresh tomato. So this is a method of making commercial stew. You understand? So this one is not personal food. If it's personal, I would have cooked it the other way around. So because I'm not adding anything, I'm just frying the tomato. After frying it, I have to put it in the fridge. Then anytime I need to cook, I'll just scoop some little portion of it. Then I mix up with meat and all that stuff. So if you are cooking the one you use at home, you can also use this method to cook and store in your fridge. It can last as long as you wish. You understand? You want. So, but this is the method I'm using. I'm not gonna add meat. I'm not gonna add anything. I will only add maybe thyme. Maggi and salt to put it to make it tasty. Then after, I will just put in a rubber, store in the fridge. Anytime I want to cook for the one I will serve for the day, I'll just cook the amount that I will need, add the meat that I want. I can add any meat, like here we have a cow leg, see? So I can use it to cook goat meat, cow leg, chicken, anything assorted. Yeah, so this pattern is totally different from your regular way of making stew. In case you say, this is not the way we make stew. Yes, this is how we the restaurant owner, some of us, so me personally, I'm not talking for another people. Me personally, this is how I make my own stew. Yes, so I'm gonna cover the pot. I will let this stew fry. So I will be adding salt and chicken stock.